Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have x plus 5 square root plus minus times of x plus 5 square root equals to 4, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So the very first step we are going to do is here first you see inside the square root it is x plus 5, and here again we have x plus 5, so that we just substitute here y equals to x plus 5. So when you substitute y equals x plus 5, so that this equation is written as so here it is square root of y plus square root of minus y equals to 4. And now in the next step, here the next target is to eliminate the square root on both of these terms, so that here first we move this plus minus y square root to the right hand side, and it will be written as square root of y equals to 4 minus square root of minus y. And now in the next step, in order to eliminate this square root sign on both of the sides, so that we just take the square on both of the side. Okay, so we write it here, taking square on both of the sides of the above equation. So when we take the square, it will be written as square root of y and its whole square equals to 4 minus square root of minus y and its whole square. And after this step, here we need the nice square identity in the right hand side, and you know that if we have a minus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus b square minus 2 times of ab. So here we need this nice identity in the right hand side, and here we have this is over a and this minus y square root over b. So now we substitute these a and b in this formula, and we easily get the simplified form of the above equation. So in the left hand side you see here these 2 and square root are cancelled by each other. So here we just obtain y equals to, here we use this formula. So according to this formula it will be written as 4 square plus minus y square root and its whole square, and minus 2 times of ab. So here our a is 4 and b is square root of minus y. Okay, so in the next step, here we need a little bit simplifications, and its simplifications are, here we have 4 square, and 4 square equals to 16, and these 2 and square root are gone, and here we get minus y, and after that we have minus 4 times of 2 becomes here minus 8 into square root of minus y. And now in the next step, here we need a little bit simplification, so that here we move the term involving a y in the left hand side, and we just separate this term square root. Okay, we separate the square root term minus y square root, and we move all the other terms to the right hand side. So here you see that this is minus y. When we move in the left hand side, it will becomes plus y. This is plus 16, it is become minus 16, and in the right hand side we have only one term, and it is minus 8 times of minus y square root. Okay, so here we just add or subtract the like terms, and we have this is y plus y equals to 2 times of y minus 16 equals to minus 8 times of minus square root of y. So here you see that we have 2b, the common term which lies on both of the sides, so that we divide both of the sides by 2. So when we divide both of the sides by 2, it will be written as 2y divided by 2 minus 16 divided by 2 equals to minus 8 into minus y square root divided by 2. And now in the next step, this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and here we get y minus this 2, 8 is a 16, and we get here minus 8, and this 2 4s are 8, and we get here minus 4 times of square root of minus y. And now in the next step, here we need to eliminate this square root sign, so that we again take squares on both of the sides, and it will be written as y minus 8 whole square equals to minus 4 into minus y and its whole square. Okay, so in the next step, we just again apply the square identity which we write above here. So it will be written as y square plus 8 square minus 4 times of y into 8 is equals to, here we separate the square on this term and this term as well, so it will be written as minus 4 square into square root of minus y and its whole square. So now in the next step, we need some simplification here, and we have y square plus this 8 square equals to 64, and this 4 8s are 32y equals to minus 4 square equals to 16, and these 2 and square root are gone, and here we get minus y. So now we move this minus 16y in the left hand side, and it will be written as y square. First we write here minus 32y, and this minus 16y, when we move it in the left hand side, it will becomes plus 16y, and this is plus 64 equals to 0. And now in the next step, here we add or subtract the like terms, and we have y square and minus 32y plus 16y equals to minus 16y, and this 64 equals to 0. And now in the next step, here this equation will becomes quadratic in y variable, so that we just make the factors of this equation, and we easily make the factors of this equation. So here we just break its middle term. So when we break the middle term, it will be written as y square minus this 16 is written as minus 8y minus 8y. So minus 8 becomes minus 16, and plus 64 equals to 0. And now in the next step, we take common y from the first two terms, and it will be written as y minus 8. And here we take common minus 8, and it will be written as y minus 8 equals to 0. And now on the both of these terms, we take common y minus 8, and it will be written as y minus 8 equals to 0. So here we just get y minus 8 whole square equals to 0. So here you take the square root on both of the sides in order to eliminate this 2, so that we just get y minus 8 equals to 0. So here you easily get the value of y equals to 8. We move this minus 8 to the right hand side. And now the time to back substitute. So here we have the value of y is x plus 5. We just take in the start of this problem. So we substitute it here. It is x plus 5 equals to 8. So here we move this plus 5 to the right hand side, and it will be written as x equals to 8 minus 5, and 8 minus 5 equals to 3. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.